I just discovered something that's completely changed my ad strategy overnight. I tried using AI actors to run Meta video ads, and what happened blew my mind. In just one day of running these AI video ads, I got 2 sales and my click-through rate jumped to 10%. That is 6 times higher than what I was getting with image ads. And if you're running Meta ads to your e-commerce or digital product business, you need to see this. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I'm using AI actors to create video ads that are converting like crazy, explain why they're working better than image ads, and break down the exact metrics I'm seeing. This is week 9 of documenting my journey on building my own one-person business, but today's focus is all about this AI video ad breakthrough that I discovered. So let's dive in. So in day 1, I ran another ad. The one ad campaign just wasn't working. I was running 3 different ad campaigns, and this one was super expensive with no purchases, low conversion rates, and very high cost per actions. But while I was running my ads, I actually got another sale. And for this offer, that is 2 sales now. It's happening because Meta's Pixel is starting to gather more and more data. But I eventually killed that super expensive ad and created a new ad that was similar to the one that was getting purchases. All I did was pretty much change the headline of the ad because the creative was doing pretty well, as it was quite humorous, and I think people liked that. So day 1, I got my second sale, and hopefully this week we can start getting more sales as we optimize. In day 2, I discovered this video software tool called arcads.ai, and it is absolutely insane. It pretty much helps you create superhuman-like AI actors for your video ads. Because while I was thinking of running image ads, even though the one ad creative was getting purchases, I do think my offer needs a bit more explanation. Mine is more of a problem unaware product than something where people already know that they have a problem, because most people aren't aware of the problems that they have. So instead, I could actually create and split test video ads using arcads.ai. I think the best pivot right now is to create and split test video ads using arcads.ai, which will help show the problem to my audience. And by the time they get to my landing page, my conversion rate should be a lot higher. In theory, my overall cost per acquisition should be about 30% lower with video ads, because I can get better conversion event tracking using the Meta Pixel. With video ads, it's also a lot more accurate to see if people are actually engaging with my ad. So I actually spent the whole day setting this up and actually paused my image campaigns, as it was only getting a click-through rate of 1 to 2%. And right now I'm in pivoting mode, testing different ads and going absolutely bonkers on finding what works. Between days 3 to 5, I've actually been pretty busy working on creating these videos using arcads.ai. I generated videos using UGC AI actors with a script. And to be honest, if you look closely, you can see that the videos are created by AI. Luckily, I'm somewhat good at video editing, so I took these AI videos, I cut them up, and I added text overlays. This way, they don't see the same facial expressions throughout the video, making it look more like proper user-generated content. And for some reason, my Facebook ads just weren't running at first. I tried launching on Wednesday night after pausing all my image ad campaigns, but every time I published, they just got a scheduled or processing status. I'm not exactly sure what Facebook ads was doing, but it seemed like it was glitching. Because my video ads didn't launch on Wednesday, I decided to schedule it for Thursday so it could run the whole day. And once they finally started running, I got a 9% click-through rate in the super broad niche, which is absolutely killing it. For a broad audience, that's actually really good. For my last offer targeting women over 50, the click-through rates were pretty much as high, but I was targeting a super niched audience. So for a broad audience, this is a very good start. Right now, I'm getting about a $1 cost per click, but I haven't spent a lot of money yet. I think these video ads explain my offer a lot better and will definitely warm people up before they hit my landing page. If I can stay between a $1 to $2 cost per click, and hopefully my funnel is optimized enough now that I can start breaking even pretty soon. The funny thing is this whole game. The sales funnels, the ad creatives, and even the offer. Everything comes down to how good of an offer you can create and copywriting. You can have decent branding and decent design, but everything comes down to words. To get someone to buy something, it's all about calling out their pain points, desires, and specific outcomes that they want. And I'm learning so much throughout this process. I'm definitely not making 100K per month yet, but it's insane on everything that I'm learning. And I'm actually excited to see where this offer goes, especially with these video ads that I've created. The tool arcads.ai is pretty expensive. It's about $110 per month, but it's a lot cheaper than hiring UGC content creators. And I'm actually testing these ads using a female actor because women typically grab men's attention, especially attractive women. Some of these AI actors were bad though, like you could tell that it was fake. One was swinging her head on repeat the whole time, so you really have to be picky on which actors you choose. But this is a great way for marketers like us to scale quickly, test ads fast, and then eventually when we find winning ads that are absolutely killing it, we can replace these AI actors with real UGC content creators. But this is actually a great way for marketers like us to scale ads, test quickly, and eventually when we find those winning ads, we can replace the AI actors with real UGC content creators. I'll need to test yet again for another 4 to 7 days on which of these videos could be a winning ad. Then I could replicate the video ads, and all I need to do is just switch up the hooks. In day 6, it's pretty much been a day and a half of running ads. Because of all the weird stuff happening between days 3 and 5, where my ads just weren't running for some reason. But But I'm happy to say that after one day, I've already gotten 2 sales from these video ads. And that's a much better performance than using image ad creatives. So right now, I'm going to test for another 3 to 6 days. And if I can get at least 5 purchases by then, I know that these could potentially be winning ad creatives. And then we can finally start scaling, which will prove that my offer works. So all in all, these AI videos seem to be working pretty well. I'll put a link in the description for arcads.ai if you want to check it out. Another thing I like about video ads is you can see the metrics of how many people are actually watching your video. You get data like video played at 25%, video played at 50%, and video played at 75%. The great thing is that Meta's Pixel actually tracks this engagement, which helps improve and optimize the pixel over time. Funny enough, my cost per 1,000 impressions were pretty much double than what my image ad creatives were, but my click-through rate was pretty much 6 times higher. So my cost per acquisition actually ends up being 3 times cheaper, and it'll probably go down even more over time. If I can consistently get 2 to 3 purchases per day, then that's when we can start adding the upsell to make the pure profit. This is just day 6, but things are looking very promising. So that's where I am right now with these AI video ads, and these early results are looking promising. Better click-through rates, lower cost per click, and actual sales coming in faster than before. I'm cautiously optimistic that I might have found something that will work really well for this offer. I'll keep testing for another few days to make sure that this trend continues. Then there's a potential to definitely scale these ads. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about using Arcads AI or using AI actors in general. And I'll see you in the next video.